Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you the last hairstyle that I had before I washed my hair. It's pretty much the same thing that I'm doing in this video, except for the curls have dropped dramatically and they were never really as tight. So what I'm gonna do to start washing my hair is I'm gonna spray apple cider vinegar to loosen the buildup that's in my lock from dandruff and gel and oil and just everything. So I'm just going to spray that. I'm going to let that soak in my hair, and then I'm going to wash my hair. So let you guys listen to some music while I do that. So just let the apple cider vinegar do its thing and let it sit for a while before you get in the shower and continue to wash your hair further. So now my hair is washed and clean. I'm going to be oiling my scalp with some jojoba oil and some shea butter. So all I'm doing is just retwisting my hair. I'm wrapping those loose hairs around the lock all the way down, or as much as you want to, and then I'm going to secure the lock with the clip, and then later I'll proceed with curling the hair around the perm rod. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. My name is Cassandra Lee. Let's get into this specific tutorial. So I had to work the next day. So for the curls, not all curl is the same. There are locks that have different curl patterns, and I think that's fine because it just gives me like a different type of vibe, like kind of like if you were to do like the bohemian lock, faux lock type of style, you know what I mean? So that's just how I'm viewing it right now. There are some that are more straight than curly, so I'm gonna go in my free time and go recurl them just so it's a little bit more uniform. I have done this style. This is the second time that I have done this style, and they have come out completely different each time. So I'm doing things differently, but this time I twisted my hair, and as you can see, like I had clips in. So, and then I curled at the same time. So some of my locks are actually like tight where my retwist is at the root, and then some of them not as much. So if that doesn't bother you, then go for it, do whatever you want to do. But if, like me, I'm just trying to progressively get better. So next time I do this style, what I'm going to do is the long way, like I've been trying to not do for now, which is just retwist my hair normally, naturally, like just straight. And then I'll just probably come back in when that's done. You can get a spray bottle and just spray my locks and then curl it, and then, you know, rock that for like a day or two if I don't want to blow dry it. So that's that. I don't know why I'm like out of breath, but yes. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm getting a lot of views on how I made my lock extensions and applied them. But yeah, these are how my locks are holding up. I'm not even gonna lie, like some of them are less dense in areas than others. So I do need to go back. I just haven't done it. I really don't fix a lock, to be honest, until it falls off, to be honest. And that has only happened like three times. So hey, it happens, you know what I mean? You're gonna just roll with the punches, and they're pretty easy to reattach. So if you guys see the video on that, let me know. But all in all, I like how the results came out. Let me know how you guys like it, if you guys are gonna try it, if you have tips on how I can like do a better retwist while wanting to like curl or crimp or do something with my locks, let me know. Thank you guys for your views and your interactions with me. Like the video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I upload a new video for you guys. And just remember that you are amazing and beautiful and worthy. Remember that you are powerful, and be easy on yourself. And I hope you guys have a great day, night, goodbye.